Yeah. Hello friends. Hope you are doing great. See, this is question number 4 of construction second exercise. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is equal to 30 degrees and angle Z is equal to 90 degrees and XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 11 centimeters. This is very, very important. 5 mark question. It is very important question for 5 mark. Okay. First, what you have to construct 11 centimeters. So instead of giving XY, we are doing some other name here with the help of a scale. Take a scale and suppose AB we have to take. Okay, this is how much? 11 centimeters. With the help of a scale, draw a line segment of 11 centimeters. Now, either this side or this side, either this side or this side, we are going to draw 30 and 90 degrees with the help of a compass. Take a compass, cut an arc. Okay, first arc will give you 30 degrees. Sorry, 60 degrees. From here and here, you cut an arc. This will give you 60 degrees. What is this? 60 degrees. From here and here, half of 60 is 30. After drawing 30 degrees, from here and here, you'll get 30 degrees now. Now, how to draw 90 degrees? Cut an arc, first arc, second arc, and two arcs. This will give you 90 degrees. Now, this is the step. Step 1 is AB is equal to 11 centimeters. Step 2 is angle A is equal to 30 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now angle bisector. Angle bisector. Next what we have to do? Angle bisector of 30 is how much? 15. Okay, from here and here we'll cut an arc now. From here and here cut two arcs. We'll get this line. Extend this. Now from here and here cut two arcs. You'll get this angle bisector. Now this is how much? 15 degrees. This is how much? 45 degrees. So 15 degrees you got, and half of 90 is how much? 45 degrees. Now after that, suppose this is some x. Okay. Now from x and b, draw perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means more than half. From here more than half, cut two arcs. From here more than half, cut two arcs. So you'll get a line like this. Okay. After this same procedure, we have to repeat from A and X. AX, from AX, draw another perpendicular bisector. Okay. So more than half, cut two arcs here and here. Join this. After that, take a scale, join this and this. You can see one triangle is formed here. This is the required triangle XYZ. This is the required triangle XYZ. Now, how to find whether you have done correct or wrong? Verification. If your answer is correct, XY plus YZ plus ZX must be equal to 11 centimeters. So you may get answer like this also. 10.5, 10.6, all the answers are correct. Okay. In decimal also you may get the answer. Okay. Hope you all understood this. Yeah. See the last problem. Construct a right angle triangle whose base is equal to 51. Base is given 12 centimeters and sum of hypotenuse sides. Another side is 18 centimeters. Okay. First what we will do, right angle triangle. You have to draw a right angled triangle. Okay. To do this, first we'll draw a base. Base BC is equal to some 12 centimeters with the help of a scale. Okay. Draw a base. BC is equal to 12 centimeters with the help of a scale. Line segment. Then 90 degrees from B. Okay. Join this. You'll get an angle. How much? 90 degrees. Always you have to use compass. Okay, after drawing 90 degrees, what is the next side given? Now you have to extend this as 18 centimeters. How much it should be? 18 centimeters. Suppose this is A. Then directly join. Extend this to 18 centimeters, then directly join. Steps of construction. First step, draw base. BC is equal to 12 centimeters. Then second, draw angle or construct angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Next, cut an arc. With compass, you should cut an arc, but it is not possible. Cut an arc. AB is equal to 18 centimeters. Then fourth step, join AC. Join AC. After joining AC, perpendicular bisector from here and here. Take more than half from here. Cut an arc here and here. Same measurement, cut an arc here and here. Then you'll get a line like this. Okay, then join this. So this is some point D. You can give any point here. Okay. Joined AC. After joining AC, draw perpendicular bisector from where? From A and C. From A and C. After that, join CD. Join CD with scale. Therefore, this is the answer. This is the required triangle. Triangle DBC is the required triangle. Therefore, BCD is a required triangle. Hope you all understood. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.